video. So today we are going to be doing another daily update on Bitcoin. So based on the previous one, if you guys have seen it, I do have another channel. If you guys do want to check it out, Lux Lifestyle HQ all day. I remember I did talk about how, if you guys see, wait, I just want to show you. What do you guys notice about this, and this? Of course you can include this. Like this here was a line of certain resistance, right? It did not want to go above that point. Always bounce back. So I marked it out just like that. So if I see price in any shape, way, or form break out, what I would do is straight up enter a long, and I did. So there was my entry point. I put a long order there. If price went through, I put stop loss right at the bottom. No, I put the stop loss here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and I just wrote it to a 1.5 somewhere there. I dropped down. Then straight after that, I started. We should look at what's next to do, right? Okay, so what we can do is get the bottom, like we always do, from here to here, because we are gonna fill that out. Like shit. Like no, like that. Let's get black. Okay. Now, so just like that, as you can see, price was trading. It broke past here, went up, traded, tested inside. So what does that mean? This is the next. That means if you guys manage to take this trade, you would have entered along here. If you wrote it all the way up, that's a 2.84 ratio. But other than that, now that we know price actually broke out here on the upside, we're gonna expect to maybe trade and come down somewhere around this area until it flies back up. But this is too much. No, sorry. We are gonna expect price to trade, come back in, test, and then fly out. That's what I'm expecting. But I am gonna stay out of this specific trade. I just have to give you a disclaimer. I know I am saying that price will fly. It is flying actually at the moment of this recording. Breaking past, I do expect maybe price will end up trading up. Of course, trading in some sort like that, and maybe come down here, trade a bit, fly out. And what I'm trying to say is catch this downtrend where you expect it to fly upwards again. But other than that, I mean, there's not much to trade within in terms of BTC. I'm gonna be staying out only because I do not like how big these certain boxes, the order box. I do not trade with big boxes only because I find them way more risky, and of course the whole point of trading at the end of the day is to always minimize your risk and at the same time predict where price will be expecting to go. That's definitely how we are going to be taking a good look at it. But other than that, I mean, we can take a look at Solana. Solana also had some crazy bumps recently, but look, other than that, I do not think we should focus anything under this, so we're gonna just take this box from here to here, mark this one out. Wait, let's go back to Bitcoin. Remove. Yep, and let's go to Solana. So you can see prices trading above positive, so we're gonna expect the price move something like that. Of course, keep in mind, guys, do not expect it to go exactly like what I just said. It's supposed to go maybe trade in some sort like that, or maybe something like that, and then comes back into trade. Who knows how long it'll take? I can never predict how long it's going to take, never. But what I'm trying to say is expect it to go up, of course, right? Go up, and then expect it to come down for a test, and then maybe trade in some sort of way, then expect it to come back down. It's always been and always will be a trading massacre. So yeah, so in terms of Solana, you can always expect it to come up and it's gonna come back down, but that's tops. And then for last but not the least, ADA, yes, see, ADA is a little bit of a funny structure at the moment, but I mean, we just have to get the basic. This is what's gonna happen here. We get price broke out, expect to come back inside, trade out. That's what's gonna happen with ADA, definitely. we're all looking at an upside. So as long as BTC has a rejection, I mean, it's still climbing like crazy. If it does reject with the box mentioned a while ago, then we are looking good. Definitely this one, by the way, this one. Yeah, just like that. This is point of break. Let's extend that a bit here. Yeah, there we go. That's definitely what we're looking at for BTC, but I mean, I'm looking at what's next. Other than that, I mean, we can take a look at Ethereum. Yeah, so based on our past TA, we did get stopped out, it looks like, because it did go over there because we were in a buy position. So I guess we did look at structure wrong. So I mean, we did take that loss. So what we're gonna do is just mark this one out. So as you can see, price did trade up, came back in, test, traded out. This is your next box here. So now price is trading in upwards. You're gonna expect to come down maybe somewhere around this area, and only then will it fly back up. It's okay. Remember, losses are actually perfect because losses get you the start of a good run, because you know price structure change BOS. Even if you get another double BOS fail, gives you even more perfect run at a good 3-4 trades. So I am going to be closing out today's video. That is the end of the video. I don't have anything else to mention. I hope you guys enjoyed today's update, and yeah, I will be definitely we can take a look at Link as well. So for Link, yeah, apologies for that, I forgot to take a look at the other coins, Link and XRP. So that's why I started this channel aside from the different one. I'm not supposed to be looking at Sol, Ethereum and 88, but I did. It's my bad. I'm going to be looking at Link and XRP in these few. Okay, so when we look at Link, right, there's this bottom trade. You've had one break of outside, and you're going to expect the mitigation down about 50%. This seems about 40 maybe, and you got price back up. So now the problem with this, if you follow by rules, this is one big box, so your price didn't even come out of the box yet. So maybe you're gonna expect something like that to come down, trade up. That's definitely what you want to look at for Link, but like I said, apologies, very late at the moment, and yeah, so I'm gonna be staying out of this one because this specific order block is way too big, and I will not be entering this one. In terms of XRP, you can just definitely take this low. So price trade in, out. So this is your next box. It is another big box. This is crazy trades right now. So expect price to come down maybe around this area, and from there you're gonna expect a bounce up. Okay, it's basically the same with everything because everything almost follows BTC. But if you take a look properly, altcoins are not even close to the proper structure, especially bigger time frames. They do look very similar. But short-term price, yes, BTC is going crazy with a long, but as you saw in Link, it's not as even close to BTC. BTC already broke past month box. Link did not. XRP did. Are arguably similar structure to BTC, but other than that, I hope you guys of course did enjoy this video, and I will definitely be seeing you guys in the next one. So if you guys of course did like and subscribe if you did enjoy, and I will be seeing you guys in the next one.